coming. Woo! The pro.
Largest Jamaican flag in the world, right?
Yeah,
Yep,
I was
yep.
told.
So that flagpole is 100 feet tall. The flag is
Wow.
is 15 feet by 25 feet.
16 feet by 20. 15 feet by 25.
Yeah.
Wow.
Largest Jamaican flag in the world.
Okay.
Yeah, record, right? It's recording.
And donkey.
Welcome back, everyone. Today we've got something exciting lined up for you, similar to a similar adventure I did at Yaman, but this time in a new location with fresh activities. We're exploring a beautiful spot in Grange, Hanover, Jamaica. Can you believe it? And I can't wait to show you all the fun you can have here. One of the friendly staff members, along with the owner of this amazing adventure park, will be giving us an insider's look at what you can expect when you visit. Trust me, you'll want to book your spot. You won't regret it. I had an incredible day here with my mother, and I'm sure you'll love it too. So stick around as we dive into all the great things this place has to offer.
But first, I would like to introduce you, the manager, the owner.
Owner.
Okay, nice. What's your name?
My name is Dean Wallace.
Nice to meet you, Dean Wallace. You have a lovely place here.
Thank you so much.
I'm enjoying myself so far. I did the Zipline, and next is the ATV, which I can't wait to do.
So you're going to enjoy that too.
You're gonna enjoy it? Okay. Alrighty.
We're happy that we have a natural place that is naturally designed for locals and foreigners to enjoy.
Yes, because I'm not far from here originally.
Okay, good, yeah.
So that's
We're very
nice.
proud to be Jamaican owners of the property, so that our money
Can stay.
stays in the economy and turns in the economy.
Yeah.
So it's not a drain, a financial drain.
Yeah.
So the money actually stays here, and we hire local people to clean and so on. So we're very proud of that.
Yeah. I'm proud of you too. Especially in the location.
Yeah, man.
You know?
Appreciate that, yeah.
So I'm like, who would have thought?
Yeah.
I've never been to this side,
Yeah.
and I'm so close.
Really appreciate that. And as you know, we have the largest Jamaican flag in the world, right?
Yeah, I was told.
So that flagpole is 100 feet tall. The flag is,
Wow.
is 15 feet by 25 feet.
16 feet by 20.
15 by 25, yeah.
Wow.
The largest Jamaican flag in the world.
Okay. Alrighty. So I have some questions. I will be handing over to
Rikyle.
Rikyle. Hi, Rikyle. Alright. So first, let me ask, where are we right now? Where are we located?
We're in Grange, Hanover.
Yeah. And the name of the place is
Bambuza.
Bambuza. Why the name Bambuza?
Well,
I am not sure, but the property has a lot of bamboo.
Yeah, yeah, I discovered that when I was doing the zip line.
Yeah.
And I like the name as well. It has a vibe to it. Okay, so what was the inspiration behind Bambuza? Huh?
Well, the story.
It's an attraction, right?
Yeah.
An adventure park.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what's the story?
Story I got was due to success in one business. The owner of the place chose to try something new. Chose an adventure park.
Yeah, good choice as well. All right, so when was this established? When did it start?
Around 8 months ago.
8 months. Wow.
Still very new.
Yeah. And I would say it's successful so far.
Yeah, we are running local promotion right now.
Yeah.
So for 6,000 to get to the ATV, Zipline.
What?
Waterfall.
Let's go!
So it's for locals only. So we're having a big turnout with locals right now.
Yeah, because I'm a local and I'm here. So who can visit?
You can visit tourists and the locals can visit.
So anyone at all can visit. What about the ones that can't do much walking and so forth? What can they do?
Well, we do have Waterfall. They can enjoy the waterfall.
They can enjoy the waterfall. All right. So the ATVs, if they're brave enough, they can do that as well with
With a guide.
yeah.
Yeah, that's possible.
Yeah. All right. So what are the different activities here? You mentioned waterfall, zip line, and ATVs.
Right. We also have horseback riding.
Horseback riding, which I'm definitely doing. Horse is my favorite animal.
Oh, nice.
They're so majestic. I love them. Alrighty, that's nice. Anything else?
So I've been working here for about 3 weeks now. And
3 weeks? You're new.
I am so happy to be here.
Yeah.
It's a good experience so far.
You see yourself here?
Yeah, for
in
sure,
long
for sure.
future. All right, very good. How long is the ATV ride?
Usually about 45 minutes to an hour.
What about the horseback riding?
I'm not so sure about that. Maybe half an hour. I'm not sure.
Okay. So it's an adventure park. So what should people expect at an adventure park?
Fun.
Fun.
For a good time.
Yeah.
ATVs, zipline, horseback riding,
Yeah.
and then cool off in the waterfalls.
Yeah, in the end. That's the last activity, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, that's true. So you mentioned the promotions already, so I don't have to ask you that. All right, so it's time for some fun now, right?
Okay.
I'm gonna do my ATV. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.
Yes. Doing the zip line,
Yeah.
and you need to listen and follow instructions. Come to me. Okay, folks, listen up. We have a professional photographer and videographer here. Even when you don't see him, the drone is working. That doesn't mean you can't take your own photos, all right? Yeah. Now how you do it, stick to your group. Don't come like this. You're in this group and you're way up here and your group in the way in the back there and then, oh, I need him to come up to take a photo.
No, I want to do it. You ready? No. Don't be scared.
Who you coming with? You have to go before. Somebody from our group need to go before. Yes.
This guy.
With this gentleman on this line, because on this line she can't go alone. She won't make it.
Let's see that. How do you feel?
Me? No.
No?
This
Weird
before.
girl?
Oh, she needs to put on
That's
it.
nice.
Yes. We did before, so.
I'm coming up shortly. A little. But I've done it before, so I know what it feels like. But you know, being in the air, not being able to help yourself, you're still a little bit tired. Yeah? But I'm good. Right.
There you go. Ready?
Yeah.
Slowly and stick both legs forward.
There I go! Why is my back sorry? Why was my
Great.
it was great?
Yeah.
Very good. It's not bad when you're on it, right? Doesn't end, guys. We're going higher. We're elevating ourselves. So you have a choice. When you come here, if you try this one and you feel scared, you can go back down and head back. But we're brave people. We're going further in life. Because that's how you grow, right?
Okay, let's go.
Mommy could not do this. Too much walking. How will we end?
Perfect.
Woo!
Nice.
Yeah!
Force.
Yeah!
This is the end of our ziplining and it was awesome. You'll enjoy it. Tired but still excited for the next adventure.
I'm going to do the ATV and horseback riding. I'm supposed to do 4 activities today. So me and Miss Flora off to the river. Say hello.
Hello?
Off to the river because we've been waiting for a while.
Go and get one of
One too slow, but
Yeah,
you
go
come
back.
back on me.
Okay. Why? Because you walk a little slow? Okay, so you're trying to be a gentleman or you're a gentleman.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Soldier Boy. This is beautiful. Huh? Welcome to Bambuza. Beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. All of this for us. Where can we swim? Where can we swim? Oh. You want to in the water? Yeah, I want to go under the falls. Walk here? What? Yeah. So she's taking her first step in the water. The water is troubled, my friend. Huh? Mama, no, that's a song. Step right in. Let's see how well you will do. You're not letting go.
So the waterfall was an amazing experience. I had fun there with my mother, and the water beating on our bodies, it was wonderful. And now it was time for me to go and do my ATV.
Going on my bike
which
now.
is amazing. So continue watching, guys, and remember to come to Bambuza. It's an amazing place. You have a lot of things to do, and you will definitely have fun here.
How to do this?
We got right brake and we got left brake. This is the front brake and this is the back brake. Some of you guys might get a bike with one brake, some might get two brakes. So you have to turn on feet. Don't go up on the bike with no. Yes. How are you? Come back. Don't worry about it, don't show about the one. Just switch. That's why my end start. You know. Alright, still shift.
So after getting some instructions from this guide, it was time for us to hit the road, Jack. But we came back.
Someone is facing a challenge because it's so muddy, the bike is not going. Okay, there we go. Now we're about to go again. Excited! We're going.
So this is where my Hanover X1 decided to call it a quits. So I had to switch to my DJI Pocket 2. I got to use 2 batteries, by the way. One I got 6 minutes off of, and the other I got 7 minutes. So it wasn't bad, but at the same time I wish it could go for like 20 minutes. That would be awesome.
You're gonna have to drive up a little faster now to go please, alright? a bike then. Huh? I don't want a bike, I don't want to ride it alone. Dirty, not true?
Yeah, I want it.
You want to get dirty? Again, tell me from a long time, I ask you, you know. Alright, now we're sitting there. Let's see if we can get the dirt on. You got it, you got it. Nice and easy, you're almost at the bottom. Oh. Here you go, I'll lift the gas now. Alright, now you ready? Hold on. Moving all up to the sky. I finally got a piece of the pie. Alright, so this is our last hill to go down. This is the steepest one. So you're gonna use your brakes. You're not go down there?
No! You want to go back from here?
Yeah, me carry down.
What?
Yeah, me carry down. You say if you want me carry down. Eh? Alright, here we are going to know. Going down, you hold your brake like this, you have one brake to bike up. Alright. You hold your brake tight, the back of the bike is going to swing all over the place. So, you have to just give it that ease. You feel it running. No, that one, just to get hold of it. You tap hold of it. Alright. You feel the bike moving. If you go too fast, add more pressure to it. If it's going, just go as slow as possible. Come carry down the man. Slower, please. Thank you. Slower, slower. Slower. hold him, Nisha, hold him. Nisha can do it, who can do it? Come on, theater now. I have 2 breaking us, you can't complain, you know. Alright, hear me out now. What? Alright. Alright, here we are going to do to me now. You're going to go down, you're going to use the 2 brakes to go down slow as possible. Hey, look for me, somebody, I feel like you're afraid. You want me to carry down? You want to do it? Alright, so go down slowly.
We're going down a steep hill.
Yes. Alright. You can't go no further. Alright, that's the last. You can't go no further. Alright. Your turn now. Here she is. Alright, nice and easy. You're gonna go down slow as possible. Heads up!
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
Why you go up with the bike, no man? The next group. Your tour. Did you have fun? Alright, come on over. Alright.
Let's start the peak?
Yes.
Right.
How was your tour?
It was good. It was awesome. Thank Thank you so much. Yes, I had fun. It was awesome. My first time on an ATV, but it was awesome. And this guy gave me the bike with the one brake. Yeah, you.
See you next time.
You.
All right. You know what I did?
What?
I picked the bike out for you.
I know.
You saw when I picked the bike out with your helmet.
Yes.
And the helmet was clean.
Yes.
He did. He
Yes.
changed it out.
Yes.
He changed it out. He changed.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him. Move
This
that.
guy.
Look at him. Look at him.
See?
Look at him.
You.
Yes, he messed everything up.
Well, it was good. Thank you so much,
Nothing
guys.
happened?
No. Awesome. Bye-bye.